What's up friends, welcome to another episode of Tech and Trends with Thames. Today we're going to be looking at 3 of my favorite features on the newly released S25 Ultra. Let's go! So this is the newly released S25 Ultra, well, the box at least, because I'm using the phone to shoot this video. It is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to AI. It is jam-packed full of amazing features. Something that could be noteworthy for content creators is the video quality and of course the AI ability to fix up audio. So I wanted to show you guys what it would look like if you were a content creator with no peripheral devices. But that's not what we're here for. We're here to talk about the S25 Ultra. Now, there's the usual jargon that we could go through. The version I have here is the titanium white silver. It comes with a glass back that is Corning Gorilla Armor 2 with a titanium grade 5 frame. You get a dual SIM, an IP68 dust tight and water resistance, a 6.9-inch display, all driven by a Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy. Well, now you've heard about the specs, let's have a little bit of fun. I want to start off with multimodal search. Now, if you've ever seen anything cool and had zero idea what it was, with multimodal search, you can just snap a picture of it and boom. Samsung's AI tells you exactly what you're looking at, where to buy it, and even some random facts that'll make you sound smarter at parties. It's basically like having your own Sherlock Holmes in your back pocket that works twice as fast as Sherlock Holmes, if not like 100 times, because Sherlock Holmes is old. Now we're going to talk about music search, which is not something that's foreign to many people. But this time, it's a lot more powerful. If you work in an office like me, sometimes you might find that your colleague next door is playing a banger track. Now, instead of being caught out pressing your face against the wall trying to listen to what the song is, you can just hum the tune and let Samsung's music search solve the mystery for you. Yeah, it's probably weird to dance alone, but who cares when you're on the forefront of AI technology? And 3 has got to be Gemini as an AI sidekick. For those of you guys who are one-man officers, you're out here wearing all the hats and you're looking for the perfect sidekick to help you get things done throughout the day. This is where Gemini steps in. On the S25 Ultra, it is more accessible than ever before as it's integrated into the software, which means with a simple touch of the button, you can get your phone to schedule meetings for you, check notes, even summarize huge documents that you told someone you read last week but you didn't actually get to reading it and now you got to tell them about it in 5 minutes. Please summarize the birds and the bees.
The phrase "the birds and the bees" is a euphemism used to describe.
Yep, that's just the tip of the iceberg of all the things that Gemini can help you with. And if you're not having that productive of a day and you just want someone to chat to, maybe give some advice, then the Samsung Galaxy S25 is the one for you. Hey Gemini, how do I tell my boss I don't want to work today?
Telling your boss you won't be into work requires a professional approach. Here's a breakdown of how to handle it.
So that's it. That is the Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you love the magic of AI, you need help with some multitasking, and you need a sidekick that can actually help you get things done, then I'd say look no further than this little bad boy right here with a whole 6.9-inch screen. Anyways, if you like that video, make sure you click subscribe or do whatever the thing that you have to do to make sure that you don't miss any more of our upcoming reviews. And of course, leave a comment below as to what you would ask Gemini to do for you if you had this S25 Ultra. I'm off to go throw some ball. Peace!